Welcome to our comparison of the Parkside Performance 20V PKHAP D4 and the Parkside 20V PABH hammer drills. Let's examine their features and specifications to see which tool suits your needs better. 1. Battery. PKHAP D4 comes with a 20V lithium-ion battery providing powerful performance for demanding tasks. PABH, also equipped with a 20V lithium-ion battery, designed for efficient energy use during lighter applications. 2. Working time. PKHAP D4 offers longer working times thanks to its higher torque, suitable for heavy-duty applications. Expect approximately 50 to 60 minutes of continuous use. PABH provides decent working time for lighter jobs, averaging around 30-40 minutes depending on the application. 3. Weight. PKHAP D4 weighs about 2.5 kilograms, or 5.5 pounds, offering a balance between power and maneuverability. PABH, lighter at approximately 1.8 kilograms, or 4 pounds, making it easier to handle for extended periods, especially in tight spaces. 4. Power and torque. PKHAP D4, higher torque rating around 60 nanometers, suitable for drilling into harder materials like concrete and metal. PABH, lower torque rating approximately 30 nanometers, ideal for soft materials like wood and drywall. 5. Features. PKHAP D4 includes an extensive accessory kit with various drill bits and a carrying case for easy transport. PABH features a built-in LED light for better visibility in dimly lit areas, enhancing usability. 6. Price. PKHAP D4, typically priced higher due to its robust features and performance capabilities. PABH, more budget-friendly, making it a great option for casual DIY enthusiasts. Conclusion. Both the Parkside Performance PKHAP D4 and the PABH offer unique advantages. The PKHAP D4 is ideal for heavy-duty projects, while the PABH is perfect for lighter tasks. Choose based on your specific needs and preferences. Well done, guys! Both products can often be found on special offer. Just click the links in the description to buy. And of course, thanks for watching.